Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome to ACTV. Today I'm here to show you how to cook Bangladeshi style Bhindi Bhaji with a very little spice but very tasty, very delicious Bhindi Bhaji. So yeah, if you do like my video, please give a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to ACTV for more interesting videos. Okay, let's go on with this. I'm gonna make Bhindi Bhaji as I've already told you. So you need a frying pan with 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. You can use sunflower, olive oil, mustard, anything you like. With half onion chopped up, finely chopped, and I'm gonna put half a spoon of half a tablespoon of salt. It's up to you how much salt you wanna put in. Keep frying the salt and onion together, and then I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of garlic paste. You can always use chopped up garlic if you like. And yeah, so I'm gonna use half a spoon of garlic paste. And now I've got garlic paste, chopped up onion and salt and oil in there, and I'm gonna fry this until it gets a little brownish color. Yeah, keep frying it until it gets brown. Make sure keep the gas on a medium heat. Don't cook on full gas. Okay, that's nice and brown now. So that's it. I'm ready to put my chopped up bhindi in there now. Some people call it okra, some people will say little fingers. I'll call it bhindi. Just put some chopped up bhindi in there and make sure you mix it well. And then you put half a spoon of turmeric powder in there and half a spoon of cumin, and that's it. I'm not going to use any other spices in my bhindi bhaji. Just gonna use these 2 spices, turmeric powder and cumin powder. That's it. I've got some chopped up fresh tomatoes, some chopped up coriander and some green chilies. I'm not using any chili powder or anything like that at all. Okay, put the tomatoes in there, mix it well, and yeah, then keep frying it. And now I'm gonna put my chilies in there and some coriander, chopped up coriander in there as well. Mix it all together. That's nice. And then I want the tomato or the juice from the tomato to come out and get right into my bhindi, and then it will taste delicious. So then put a little bit of water, about half a cup, otherwise the bhindi is gonna burn. I don't want it to burn. So put half a cup of water and keep cooking it in a medium heat until the water, the sauce gets a little bit dryish. I don't want really fried bhindi, really fried okra. I want that's it. Nice. This is the perfect time to turn the gas off, turn the cooker off. That's it. That's done now. And now put some sprinkle of fresh coriander on top and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely evening and hope you like my video. Give us a thumbs up. Goodbye for now.